Hello, and let's go over the custom UV verticolor scale control. And unlike the custom UV verticolor UV control material function, which combines various UVs and applies them to the vertex color, this material function allows you to affect scalar variables on the vertex level. Now, first off, let me grab a hori panner and plug that into the customized UV, and you can see them all back and forth already. Now, what if I want to offset something, for instance, for each of these vertex colors? Then you can use this one for it. I'm gonna plug this into the 0 to 1 value, and nothing happens. So perhaps I need a time sign. I'm gonna get my own one and plug it into the time add and plug it in here, and there will be a result again. You can make it a little bit slower for now, so let's do 0.5. Let's play around with these values over here. Now, at the moment, red has a default value of 0. Let me try that. And it's still the same. But what if I offset this to like 0.25? Nope. There. Now the red one has an offset of in the time of 0.25. Let's do the same with the green one, but give it an offset value of 0.5. So that half a second is then added to the time on the green vertex color, passed on to the hori panner into the customized UV, and that way you can create nice offsets, as you can see here. Let's add one for the blue one as well. Let's do 0.75. There. And now they're all moving in unison. But what if you don't want them to move back and forward? How to control it then? Okay, let me remove the time sign and just grab a time. You can also use a dynamic parameter, particle relative time, that kind of thing. Though particle relative time might not properly work, I'm not sure yet. It should, but I haven't tried it in a while. I should have done that before I made this video. I'll try it later if I really make this video. So I'm going to add that time to the combined vertex colors and plug that into the 0 to 1 value. And I should set the time to a period of 1. And now it resets each time. I set the value to 2, it should work a little bit better. And in this case, I might grab a lerp and start from -1 to 1. There. Zoof. Period is 1, it should go like this. So it's a bit more complicated to use this one, but it also gives you a little bit more control because you can control each of these vertex colors separately. If I wanted to add a sign, a debug time sign to the alpha, I could. The result's a bit weird now, but you can play around with these values. If I want them all to have like 0.25 seconds in between, then I can. You can always use plus 0.125 there. And if I move them all down a little bit, so there. There are multiple ways to use this. There are a lot of examples available in here just to showcase what you can do with them, and there are quite a few nice ways to control them. But yeah, you can change this time period to a dynamic parameter like this, and like that, or particle relative time. Or in case you really want to, you could even blueprint control them. Like that. Multiple ways to play around with them. So yeah, that's it for the custom UV vertical or scalar control. And I'm gonna go to the next material function. Take care.